to be making a very simple dessert today. 4 ingredients, easy peasy, couldn't be any easier if you tried. You need double cream, ginger snap biscuits, crystallized ginger, and a liqueur of your choice. Now, I've got Tia Maria, that's all I've got, left over from I don't know when, but anyway. So I've got Tia Maria, and you do need a liqueur. You need something to make the biscuits go like cake. But you could use Baileys. You could use anything like that. Baileys would be gorgeous, wouldn't it? But you could use sherry, brandy, anything. So let's get started. It's got 4 ingredients: ginger snap biscuits, crystallized ginger, double cream, and the Tia Maria, but you can use a liqueur of your choice. You could use Baileys, sherry, brandy, any liqueur really, but I'm just making a tiny, teeny one. They come out like a log. You make them like a log. But I'm making a tiny one because my husband doesn't like 3 of the 4 ingredients that I've got. He doesn't like double cream, he doesn't like Tia Maria, and he doesn't like crystallized ginger. So I'm just going to make a tiny one because I'm on a diet and I don't want a great big one. I don't want to get tempted. But I did want to show it to you. Right. So I've whipped the double cream within an inch of its life. And I'm going to put some of this Tia Maria in a cup so I can dip the biscuits into it. Right. I'm going to dip just quickly and then put some cream in between, okay? Dip quickly, like this, till I've done all the biscuits. I told you it was simple. And like I say, you could imagine like a big one. Or I tell you what, for a party or a function, you do a double line of them. I wonder if I should do a double line of them. Being that it's so short, I will. Let me do a double line. I've got all this Tia Maria as well. So, yeah, I'll do a double line. I've got enough cream now. I was only going to make a small one, wasn't I? Look, it's massive. God, better not weigh this week. Better not weigh this week. Right, now, just pile the rest of it on. I think I'll have enough. So you get the idea anyway. There. So you make it as nice as you can. What's not to like, honestly? What is not to like? Wow. So this ginger is super, super, super hot. Actually, it says fiery ginger on the packet. Super hot. So I'm not going to put it all on. I'm going to do this. Otherwise, it might be a bit too much. That's plenty. Put that back in the bag. Loads, 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 loads. It says Whitworth's fiery ginger. Fiery is not the word. It packs a punch. Certainly does. So I'll put that back. Put it back because, you know, it's going to burn your stomach out. Right, there you go. Whitworth's crystallised fiery ginger. Quick, quick, quick. Lovely. Dear Maria. Crystallised ginger, double cream. Bob is your uncle. Now, obviously, if you don't drink, you don't like this kind of thing, just leave it out and just use the ginger biscuits, the cream and the crystallised ginger. You could put cherries on top as well. I don't see why not. They go with it, don't they? So there we are. Get a picture of it. So there we are. Super easy dessert. Ginger cream. Love chatting to you again, and I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, I'm sending lots of love from Cornwall.